Good morning, children. How are you? Hoping all of you are doing well. Dear students, in the previous class, we have started chapter number 7 indices or exponent, and we have done exercise 7a till question number 6. So now let us start next question number 7. Simplify. First part is 8 power 3a into 2 power 5 into 2 power 2a upon 4 into 2 power 11a into 2 power minus 2a. Let us solve this question. We will write down in place of 8, we will write down 2 power 3 bracket close 3a power 3a into 2 power 5 into 2 power 2a upon, in place of 4 we will write down 2 power 2 into 2 power 11a into 2 power minus 2a. Let us see. 2 3 3s are 9a, 2 power 9a into 2 power 5 into 2 power 2a upon 2 power 2 into 2. Here bases are same, then their power will be added. We'll take it base as a common 2 and power 11a plus minus 2a. Now 2 power 9a into 2 power 5 into 2 power 2a upon 2 power 2 into 11a minus 2a is equal to 9a. So into 2 power 9a. 2 power 9a, 2 power 9a will cancel out. Here 2 8 times 5 times and here 2 3 2 times. So after cancelling or dividing we'll get it 2 power 3 into 2 power a, 2 power 2a. So let us see. We'll write down 2 power 3 into 2 power 2a. Bases are same, so we'll take it common 2 and power 2a plus 3. This will be our answer. Let us see the next one, question number 8. So that a power m upon a power minus n bracket close power m minus n into a power n upon a power minus l bracket close power m n minus l into a power l upon a power minus m bracket close power l minus m is equal to 1. We have to show that its value is equal to 1. So let us see. A bases are same. In case of a division, what we have to do, we will add their power, subtract their power. So a, when we will subtract, minus minus will become plus. A bracket power bracket open m plus n bracket close, and here m minus n is given already, into a n plus l and n minus l power into a power l plus n bracket close power l minus n. We'll write down like this, and then all these bases are same. Then what we will do for their power, it will be added. So we'll take it base as a common a. So m plus n, m minus n, it means a plus b and a minus b identity is a square minus b square. So m square minus n square plus here n square minus l square, then l square minus m square, then a power, we will arrange their powers, m square minus n square will remove their bracket, plus n square minus l square plus l square minus m square, plus m square minus m square will cancel out, minus n square plus n square will cancel out, minus l square plus l square will cancel out. So a power 0. So the number whose power is 0, its value will be 1. This is the identity, hence proved. Next question is question number 9. If a is equal to x power m plus n into y power l, b equals to x power n plus 1 into y power m, and c equals to x power l plus m into y power n. Prove that a power m minus n, comma, b power n minus c, comma, c power l minus m equals to 1. Let us see. It is given in the question a is equal to x power m plus n into y power l. This is the first equation. B is equal to x power n plus n l into y power m. This is our second equation. Here b's value is given. C is equal to x power l plus m into y power n. This is our third equation. Now a, it is given, we have to prove that a power m minus n comma, b power n minus l, comma, c power l minus m is equal to 1. Now putting the value of a, b, c from equation 1, 2 and 3. Let us see what is the value of a. This is in equation 1 we can write down in equation 4. This is our fourth equation. We can say that this is our fourth equation. So in fourth equation, if we'll put it the value of a, b, c, let us see. A is x power m plus n into y power l bracket close m minus n. It is given. Similarly, b's value is x power n plus l into y power m bracket close n minus l. It is already given. C's value is x power l plus m into y power n bracket close l minus m. This is already given. So let us see. X m plus n, this power is common for both these numbers, so m minus n we will write down here. Again this y power l bracket close m minus n. Similarly x n plus l into n minus l bracket open y power l bracket close power n minus l. Here x power l plus m bracket close power m minus l minus m, and y power n bracket close l power l minus m. Now we will simplify them. Again a plus b, a minus b, what is its identity? A square minus b square. So we will write down x power m square minus n square y lm minus ln x n square l square y mn minus ml x l square minus m square y ln minus mn. Now we'll arrange them. X m square n square and x n square minus l square, x l square minus m square, all are here, all are multiplying here. It is not comma, it is multiplying by each other. So y lm minus ln, y ln minus ml, y ln minus mn. So let us see, if their bases are same then their powers will be added. So we'll take it base as a common x. So m square minus n square plus m square minus l square plus l square minus m square. Y will take it as a common and then we will add all these powers. Lm minus ln plus mn minus ml plus ln minus mn. Now m plus m square minus m square will cancel out. N square minus n square plus n square will cancel out. Minus l square plus l square will cancel out. Similarly lm minus lm, lm or ml both are same, cancel out. Minus ln plus ln cancel out, plus mn minus mn will cancel out. So x power 0 and y power 0. So the value x power 0, its value will be 1, y power 0, its value is also 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Now we'll see the next question. Simplify. X power a upon x power b bracket close power a square plus ab plus b square into x power b upon x power c bracket close power b square plus bc plus c square into c power x power c upon x power a bracket close power c square plus ca plus a square. Let us see. It is divided, no? X power a and x power b both are dividing, so we'll write down x a minus b bracket close power a square plus ab plus b square into, similarly this one also we can write down x power b minus c b square plus bc plus c into, this side also we can write down x c minus a bracket close c square plus ca plus a square. Now x bracket power a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, x b minus c b square plus bc plus c square into x c minus a, see, x power b minus c into power b square plus bc plus c square bracket close into x again c minus a into power c square plus ca plus a square bracket close. Now dear students, here is one formula: a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, that is equal to a cube minus b cube. So we'll write down here x power a cube minus b cube into, similarly this side also, x power b cube minus c cube into, this side also x will take it as a, here write down like this, and its power will be c cube minus a cube. Now all these bases are same, so we'll take it as a common and power should be added: a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. Now write down like this: x a cube will open their bracket a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. So plus a cube minus a cube will cancel out, minus b cube plus b cube cancel out, minus c cube minus plus c cube will cancel out. So x power 0, that is equal to 1. Hence this will be our answer. So dear students, today this much only. Rest we'll see in the next class. Thank you and take care.